Got the wife's car, gonna be given a wash here. It's pretty dirty, hasn't been washed in a couple months, so it's got a bunch of dirt and bug guts and stuff on here. Water spots and things. I don't know how much is gonna show up on the camera. Try to get up there closer so you can see. Get your bug guts and things on here. So we'll get a good scrub, good clean. Back's pretty filthy. It's hard to get it on camera, but it's definitely dirty. So I'll be using the Stoner Car Care for the contact wash. Pre-wash, we're going to be using the Bilt-Hamber Touchless. I've had good results with that, so we'll try to get a lot of the main gunk off there with that, and then go in there with the contact wash. Wheels and tires, DIY, all clean, diluted 15:1. That worked good and it's very safe with all wheels. So to get a 2% panel end packed ratio with my pressure washer and gun and all that, I need 8 ounces, and then the rest filled with the foam cannon with water. So I'll mix this up here and make sure it's thoroughly mixed. That ought to be good, and we'll get her filled up. Carefully. This stuff's expensive, don't want to spill any. Alright, got her 8 ounces. Still got some in here, so I'll just fill the water with this and then fill it into there, and that'll kind of rinse it out. Alright, just got her filled up the rest of the way with water. Got this all rinsed off, so we'll get this filled up here real quick. Put 2 ounces in here. Yep, and then this will be for the wash bucket. Alright, got my Westinghouse electric pressure washer all hooked up. Got the buckets all filled up. This water going, and I'll pre-foam it down. Give it about a 4 or 5 minute dwell time, and then rinse it off. So it's 10:15. Let this soak till about 10:20. You can see it's pulling off the dirt and stuff, becoming discolored. So we'll see how it looks after 5 minutes and give it a good rinse. It's nice and cloudy, so perfect time to do it. Don't have to worry about drying. Seems to always really do a good job on the wheels and tires. Pulls off that dirt and stuff, but check out the panel here. Check back in when I start rinsing. Alright, it's been a bit over 4 minutes, so go ahead and start blasting this stuff off. Check to make sure this is connected, pointing down. Don't want to blast it off of the car. Alright, here goes. We're able to get it a lot cleaner, just the touchless. There's still a little bit of dirt up in here, but it does look a lot better. And then coming along here, things are looking quite a bit cleaner. Curious if you guys have used Bilt-Hamber Touchless or CarPro Lift or any sort of like pre-wash. How are your experiences with it, and are you happy with the pre-clean job that it did? Or you guys just use APCs or nothing? Let me know in the comments below. blown off here with this. Alright, here's the final result after using the Bilt-Hamber Touchless and giving it a nice little scrub. Just looking nice and clean again. More dirt and crud all up in there. I didn't get it perfectly dry because it's not a customer car and it'll dry by itself. No tire shine either, but you can see it got nice and clean and shiny. Looking good again.